See you later, Papa. Say, Papa, see you later. Alright, enjoy your day, my love. I love you.
I love you.
I look a hot mess. Hi, Faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Look who is home.
Papa.
Hi guys. Good morning. Tyler, viens. Après. Tyler, viens d'abord. Dis bonjour to the Faves. Viens ici, papa, il va donner cadeau à Tyler. Viens ici. Assis ici. Et ferme les yeux comme ça, mets les mains devant les yeux. Allez. Allez, ferme les yeux. On ferme les yeux. Qu'est-ce que c'est? On ferme les yeux.
What do you say to Papa?
This is Tyler's gift.
Babe came back from Paris. Well, I don't think you... Well, yes, you guys know Baby's back from Paris, and
Tyler.
of course he carried back gift for Tyler, and he found a way to surprise Tyler each time with a Paw Patrol character. So he's back, and he's actually heading out to work right away.
What a life.
What a life, the life you chose, huh? Come, Tyler, no, don't go outside. Papa opening Stella for you. Come for Stella.
And this is for you.
Thank you, baby. You got my cordless ball. Oh, thanks, honey. Oh my God, I wasn't expecting this.
You find a way for Tyler?
Yeah.
Alright,
Without battery too?
gotta get ready.
Thank you, honey. Oh my gosh, thank you. No more working out with card and yes, thank you, babe. Appreciate it.
Okay. Let me say, Papa.
Tell Papa later. Aww.
Mwah. Enjoy.
That was a pleasant, unexpected surprise. I wasn't expecting it. You talked to the face already? You guys, look at my hair. I'm going to wash it right now. Oh, you're not ready? You guys, look at my eye. I think I'm having a cold in this eye or something, but I'm gonna make a doctor's appointment and head to the doctor. Hopefully I get to go today, or if I don't get to go today, then I won't get to go again until Monday, because it's about to be the weekend. I'm about to wash my locks. Look at these curls, they just stand out. Anyway, you guys, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. We just woke up. Baby's heading out to work, but he's heading out late because he's tired from returning late this morning. But that was a pleasant surprise. I wasn't expecting him to bring me home that wireless headphone. I've been wanting this wireless headphone for a while, and that was a pleasant surprise. I didn't expect him to bring that. So I finally got my wireless headphone. Yes. I just woke up and made Tyler his breakfast. Of course, you guys know what that is. His toast and his hot chocolate. And so he supped a little of his hot chocolate and then Papa gave him gifts, so he doesn't care for it anymore until Papa leave, I'm sure. Yeah, so we're just here. It looked a little bit cloudy outside. It's been cloudy for the past few days, so we're just waiting for Babe to head out, and then we're gonna jump right back into bed for a bit because I need to rest up a bit. Papa, bye.
Bye.
Put down your clothes. What's wrong?
My stomach.
What is wrong with your stomach?
back.
What is wrong with your back?
It's hot.
Your back is hot. And what is wrong with your stomach?
Yes.
What is wrong with your stomach?
No. Stay there.
Yesterday he said, Mama, my stomach. I said, what is wrong with your stomach? He said, my stomach is full.
The boy said, oh my gosh.
Yeah, he just said, oh my gosh.
Alright.
What?
See you later, Papa. Tell Papa, see you later. Alright, enjoy your day, my love. I love you.
I love you too. Be safe, okay?
Yeah, call the doctor for me.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye,
Love
love you.
you. Oui, Rocky il est dans la chambre. On va chercher Rocky dans la chambre. D'accord?
Hi Fibs, so we're finally out of the house. Ooh, he's coughing. I forgot to tell you guys, I don't remember if I told you guys this morning that we're heading to the doctor, but I am heading to the doctor right now. I got an appointment for today, so I'm heading to the doctor. My eye, this eye, if you guys see how red it is, it's been hurting me for the past few days, and I'm really scared that I have pink eye or something. So I'm heading to the doctor, and my tonsil is still hurting me. So we are going to the doctor right now, and I can see the bus coming, so I'm going to leave you guys and head to the bus. Oh, bonjour. Voilà. You guys, so we're at the doctor, and I can see the evident difference between my eyes. You see that one? Look at that. It says red as Stella lips. And look at that one. That's the difference between my eyes. I don't know what's going on with my eyes, but we're at the doctor. Look at him. You haven't said morning to the Faves all day. Say hi, Faves.
Happy.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you guys?
Have a girl, guys.
I'm at the doctor with Mama.
With Mama.
So I'm actually waiting on the doctor right now. I have a few
Eating
minutes
Oreo.
and eating Oreo. Good job. So I have like 5 minutes before we go in. So let's go and see what's going on with my body. Babe couldn't make it to the doctor with us, so I'm here alone. My first doctor appointment alone. But the boss got work.
He's big. Superman.
What's a Superman? That's a Superman? He said that is Superman. You guys, we leave the doctor, and I have a virus in my eye. She said that's why it's hurting and it's a little red. So I got eye drop and I got medication and stuff to take. So we'll be heading back home, and I got antibiotics for my throat and also for my eyes. So that should help in a few days. I should feel better. I'm back to my old self. I'm just actually at the park right now, but since I'm alone, I'm gonna have to pay close attention to Ty, because it's that time of year where the park is full of people. The sun is out, and it's the time of year where there's so much tourists. So I have to pay attention. I can't be vlogging with this crowd and tell her, because God forbid if he lost, I don't know what I'll do, or somebody snatch him or something. So we're at the park. I'm going to just hang out with this little a bit, and then we're gonna go take the bus and head back home because baby's in an appointment. I'm not going to even bother to attempt to wait on him. So yeah, that's what's up right now. Salmon and steamed veggies, which in here I have green beans and broccoli, and then I'm gonna add this tin of corn to it. So that's babe, that's mine, and that's Tyler's. Tyler having pasta, and he's been into cheese these days. So he loves his pasta with cheese. He's having cheese over it with some of my salmon. He loves green beans, so he's having a few of that, and he also loves corn. So yeah, that's dinner for the fam. It's grub time, and then I'm gonna go take these medicine. Ty, it's dinner time.
Dinner time.
Ready?
Ready.
All right, go mama, carry your chair, come. What are you doing?
No, I'm shaking the bottom.
You're shaking your bottom? Why?
Like the one.
Like the dog? That's what the dog does?
No.
Who shake the bottom?
Monkey.
Marcus?
No, monkey.
Marky? Who is Marky? Go show me Marky.
Okay.
Show me. He says he's shaking his bottom like the doggy. You're so funny. Come here. Come here. Come here, Tyler. Hand over mouth. Hand over mouth. Say night night, Faves. Tell Faves night night.
Night.
Look. Night night, Faves.
Night.
See you guys tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Alright. Why we're both looking sad?
Happy face.
Bah! Turn Tyler and say happy face. Sad face. Hey girl. That's why I am looking sad. I don't know why baby's looking sad. That's why you're looking sad? Liar. You guys, my eye, as you guys can see, let me look that way so you guys can see, it's still red. But it is what it is. Tyler is off to bed. I took my meds. I took my eye drop. Unlike baby, if it was baby, we couldn't have done it. No?
You guys, you really believe her? Do you really believe in her when she said that?
Say what? You couldn't have done it?
Yeah.
The real fave know why I say that. The real fave will comment down in this comment section. I won't even tell you guys. But the real fave, comment down in the comment section and tell me why babe couldn't have done an eye drop the way I did the eye drop today. I should have done it on the camera and show you guys. Anyway, enough of that.
Great.
Anyway, you guys, man, what is wrong with us?
The
And that's where
French
the Jamaican
word
stop now,
for today is...
baby, stop. That's where the Jamaican expression going. That's where the Jamaican expression is going to come from, because everybody in this house is sick. The Jamaican expression for today is going to be sicky sicky.
Siki,
Stop, no, baby. If you hear a Jamaican say, hey girl, how you so sicky? Or hey boy, are you so sicky? Simply mean that you get sick all the time. And hands up, I'm guilty. I get sick. How much? 11 months out of the year.
No. At least 13 months.
Boy, you can't shade me, see? But it's alright. The shadeless of them all. But I get sick so often. It doesn't matter how I go to the doctor, get medication. I am as
You don't
healthy
get
as can be.
medication. That's the problem.
What do you mean?
You don't get your honey and your
Shut up. You
That's your
hope.
problem.
It doesn't matter how I go to the doctor and stuff, I still get sick and I'm as healthy as can be. So I don't know. I guess I don't know. Anyway, so Jamaican expression for today is sicky. Yes. What's the French expression? Let's see if we can do it before the battery ends.
Tousser.
Tousser. What does that mean?
Right. Tousser means.
Oh, means to cough.
So the next time you go to the doctor, if the doctor asks you, est-ce que tu tousses or tousse?
Means cough.
Right.
Okay, got you.
Yeah, vocabulary.
Alright, you guys, so there you have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
Alright, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, catch up and keep up with the fam bam, and
We'll see you guys tomorrow.